Hello and welcome to another Unity 3D tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make your own intro for your game. By this I mean basically like you see on games like Saints Row or something like that, except I'm going to just do it using a texture and not animated graphics. However, you can still use animated graphics using this method as well. So what I'm going to show you how to do is I'm going to show you how to make your level stay on for about 3 seconds and then go off into your either main menu or your main level. So without any questions or anything, no. Let's just get into it. Whatever. I'm crap with talking today. I'm just gonna put that out there now. So if I start talking and it makes no sense, then shoot me in the head, please. No, don't shoot me in the head. Oh God. Alright, so first thing you're gonna want to do is, for now, we're gonna make another. Not another. See, we're gonna make a public string. Oh, this is in C# as well. So make a file intro.cs and make sure that it's got this in it. You can get rid of the actual. You can get rid of the first one. Just keep the update because we'll need that later, and it just saves a lot of time. So public string, and then we're gonna put level to load. Capital lowercase l, capital T, capital L. For load, I should say, and then no, not apostrophe. What's it called? Semicolon. Save. So now, when we create a game object and drag that in, we've now got a string that's going to let us to put letters in there and stuff like that. So just in case you didn't know, to make this a number, because I had to Google this to find this out, they don't make it easy. You have to put equals and then 10 or 1, and then if you want decimals you can put not 1.0, depending on how many you want them to be able to have. So that's how you do that. It's just a bit of a pain. They don't have a separate thing, like public number or something. I don't know. So we've got that now. So let's get into actually coding the thing that's gonna like do the main script. So we're gonna type in I enumerator, and then we're gonna put space, and then let's say intro, opening brackets, closing brackets, and then squiggly brackets, 2 enters, and then closing squiggly brackets. Now, just so that we know what's happening, we're going to put a little bit of a sort of console log kind of thing. So if I'm going to do debug.log, and then brackets before 3 seconds. No, not before 3 seconds. Let's put something like waiting for next level, and then closing brackets. So that's going to tell us now, semicolon at the end. That's going to tell us now in the Unity console that it's waiting for the next level to be loaded. Now let's just copy and paste that underneath and put successfully transferred player. Save that. Right, now we're gonna put yield. There we go. Yield. No, not yield. or is it yield? Let's put yield, and then public. No, I'm an idiot. I'm tired. Shut up. Return new, and then we're gonna do wait for seconds. There we go. And then you can put space, brackets, 3, and then semicolon at the end. Now, this is basically gonna say we're waiting for the next level. It's gonna wait 3 seconds, and then it's gonna say successfully transfer player. So now we need to be able to start this to test that it's actually working and it's running this correctly. So we're gonna put in the update method. Start coroutine, there it is. Intro. Opening brackets, intro, opening brackets, closing brackets, semicolon. After you've done that, we can save, go into Unity, and level to load doesn't really matter, we just need, oh, what's this? 11:17. 11. Hold on. I'm gonna quickly figure out what this is. Oh, that's what's wrong. I've spelled yield wrong. Yield is spelled with an I and an E, not an E and an I. Well done, Mikey. Points for spelling wrong. Another one. 821. Cannot be the same as their enclosing type. Is it 821? 821. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. What? Intro.intro. Oh, okay, so we can't have this called intro, we're going to call it intro. Intro. Just because. There we go. That should be done. Yay. There we go. Right. Clear all that. And play. Wait for next level. Successfully transfer players. So the script is now working. Clear the console again and go back into here. So now we need to actually use this level to load. So I'm gonna go from that and I'm gonna say application dot load level brackets level to load closing brackets semicolon and back into Unity. Click on the game object, click on the level to load, and I'm gonna put level because that's the level I'm loading. Make sure that this scene is added to your build settings by going into file, build settings, and then going into scenes to build and dragging the level scene from your assets to the scene in build. You can also load up the scene that you want to add and then click on add current as well. That will also work. That needs to be in there in order for this level to load to actually work. So now I'm going to show you quickly how to make the actual texture that they're going to see, that they're going to actually so if you're making like created by Unity, oops, you could have Unity and just leave it at that. But if you're making one for your like kind of company, or if you're an indie game developer, your indie name or whatever you want to call it, then you probably gonna want to get a logo for your for yourself or your company. So get that, and then I'm gonna go get a quick picture and I'll be back in a momento. Okay, so I've now got the logo, which is Titan Studios there, and I'm gonna drag that in to the texture and it's gonna change. However, you need to find the dimensions of Titan Studios. Now mine is 128x128, as you can see in the bottom right. So if I click onto my Unity watermark -small, I'm going to put Titan Studios, And then I'm going to change this to 128 by 128. And I'm going to go as much as I can to make it look like it's in the middle. Like that. Play. And as you can see, if I maximise now, as you can see, Titan Studios, 3 seconds, and it's put me into the main game. So that is how you make your own professional intro in 10 minutes, which is brilliant. 10 minutes to do all the scripting / coding, whatever you want to call it, and set up the intro level. So thank you for watching, and do leave a like if it's helped. Subscribe if you love me and want to see more. And I will see you in future tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you later.